Dear students, good morning. Once again, welcome back to the biology class. Today in this video, you are going to learn unit number 22, conservation of plants and animals. Conservation means protection. Now let us see how to protect plants and animals. All of you know forests. Forests are the important renewable resources. They cover about 30% of the world's land surface. But the forests all around the world are being destroyed. Destruction of forests in order to make the land available for different uses is known as deforestation. Now let us see what are the causes of deforestation. Deforestation may be caused by nature or it may be due to human activities. Forest fires, cyclones, and floods are the natural causes for deforestation. Forest fires wipe out thousands of acres of forest land each year all over the world. Cyclones and floods destroy the trees on a massive scale. They not only destroy the trees but also affect the livelihood of so many people. Human activities which are responsible for deforestation include agricultural expansion, urbanization, mining, construction of dams, and timber production. Large amount of trees are chopped down for crop production and for cattle grazing. Forests are destroyed for expansion of cities, establishment of houses, construction of roads, expansion of industries. Mining of coal, gold, and diamond require large amount of land. So the trees are cut down to clear the forest area. To provide water supply to the increasing population, large-sized dams are constructed. Hence, a great extent of forest area is being cleared. Wood-based industries like paper, matchsticks, furniture need a substantial amount of wood supply. A large number of trees are being cut down for fuel supplies. Now let us see the effects of deforestation. Extinction of species, soil erosion, decrease in rainfall, floods, global warming, and destruction of homeland are the major effects of deforestation. Deforestation causes extinction of many wonderful species of plants and animals, and many are on the verge of extinction. When the trees are cut down, soil is eroded and washed away along with the nutrients. When trees are cut down, the amount of water vapor released decreases and hence there is a decrease in the rainfall. Deforestation reduces the number of trees and hence more amount of carbon dioxide is accumulated in the atmosphere and causes global warming. Destruction of forests affect the indigenous people live in and depend on forests for their survival. To avoid all these problems, what we have to do? We have to plant more trees. Afforestation is the process of planting trees or sowing seeds in a barren land to create a forest. Afforestation helps us to create the forest differently from natural forest. Reforestation is a natural or intentional replanting of the existing forest that have been destroyed through deforestation. There is a slight difference between afforestation and reforestation. Afforestation means growing forest in an area which originally had no tree cover. But reforestation is replanting of trees in a land area which had lost its forest cover for some reasons. Afforestation and reforestation both are helpful in conserving environment. Thank you.